Hello and welcome at the unboxing of the TRENDnet Powerline 500 wireless kit. So without further ado, let's open this box. Super excited about this product since it promises to provide me with a wireless network, so extend my existing wireless network, and also it provides a Powerline network. So just opening the box so you can see. So network cable is provided. I saw some comments on the internet just advising that this cable might be a bit short. So we have our two units here, right? The TPL-410E with one Ethernet port, right? And with the light. Okay. Super. Then we have the other unit. This one has a wrapper. So there is a message here. Say preset wireless settings, Wi-Fi name, SSID, TRENDnet 410 2.4 gigahertz FC2C. Okay, and then you have the Wi-Fi key. Okay, interesting. So I'm guessing the Wi-Fi generated by this device will have different settings to my existing Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi device, so it does provide with two Ethernet ports, which is great, right? You can have a computer, for example, and a TV connected to it. It does support WPS, and these are the references, right? Okay, so I've read quite a number of reviews about this product, and I can't wait to test it myself and test the performance of this product. And looks pretty awesome anyway. So that's that, the unboxing of the TRENDnet Powerline 500 wireless kit. Here are the features. Create a wireless network in an area with little to no coverage. Combination Powerline and wireless network. Connect a smart TV, gaming console or media player to the internet, to the two Ethernet ports. No CD installation. Adapter auto connect out of the box. Includes two device TPL-406E and TPL-410AP adapters. Package content TPL-410AP, TPL-406E. This is really awesome. Here's the back of the box. So this is the Powerline 500, up to 500 megabyte speed, pre-encrypted security, cross-compatible, home coverage, HD streaming, multi-HD streaming. Here's the diagram. Here are the different languages: Spanish, French, German, Italian, etc. So TRENDnet promises a quick install, 24/7 technical support, 3-year limited guarantee. So looks awesome, can't wait. Take care, bye now.